Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to do unapproachable makeup. Like, this is my first time doing like a makeup tutorial, so I'm kind of scared. This is just like an inspo, so yeah. So don't judge me in the comments, okay? It's my first time doing a tutorial, so if I like, I don't know. Okay, let's just get started. First we're gonna clip on, obviously, to push back my hair. We're gonna start off by putting lotion on the face. I don't like using primer because, I don't know, I just don't like the look and I don't like the feeling of it. It feels weird, so I put on a lot of lotion before I do makeup because it like feels better, a lot better. Guys, so I'm kind of blind, so I'm gonna have to use like a small mirror because I do not have a mirror that's like facing you guys. Like it's facing this way, and there's one mirror that's facing that way. Yeah. We're gonna start with foundation. I'm using the True Match. So you're just gonna dab it just a little bit, not too much. I would do my makeup for school, and that's when I first started doing makeup. And my friend did not tell me. Well, my ex-friend now, but she did not tell me this. I would always come to school without putting foundation on my neck, and it wasn't even my shade either. It was kind of like orangey. So imagine someone going to school with a horrible shade of foundation and your face not matching your neck. I like to put it on my nose too. Oh my gosh, the clip keeps bothering it. Go over the hair. Okay. Now that we're done with that, I'm gonna use bronzer. Now we're just gonna add a little bit, and then I like to smack it on something, or else it's gonna be too much. So I always use bronzer for like contour too, and then I add it on the side of my forehead. Guys, I've been like, for like 2 weeks now, I've been trying to figure out what video I'm gonna do. So I also apply it on my jawline. I like to put it under my chin too. It defines my chin a little better. We're done with that. I'm just gonna add a little bit of contour, not too much. Add a little dot. You guys, I am like obsessed with like Victoria's Secret models. Like the old one. I'm obsessed with Adriana Lima, like literally obsessed with her. I love her so much. Now we're gonna start with the eyes. I'm gonna do like kind of like a smoky eye, but very light. Going with this brown and that brown. Just simply on the crease. Now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna add these two colors. So first, I'm gonna go with the dark one, and then I'm gonna go with the light one. Then add a little tiny wing. For the light one, I like to go outer. So we're gonna add it under the eye, just a little bit, not too much. I'm so happy that I went online, bro. Like, I have much more free time. The only thing I don't have is friends, bro. And it actually is like, it feels so lonely. Now, we're gonna start with the eyeliner. I'm gonna use it for my corner eyes. And make sure it's a really skinny line, or else it's gonna look like it's too much. And make sure to add it right here in the corner too. Like a little line connecting both sides. Now we're gonna start with the eyebrows. I should have done that before doing the eyes, but I low-key forgot about it. So I like to do the soap eye method. The soap eye? I mean the soap eyebrow thing. We're gonna let that dry. I'm gonna bake my under eyes. Just a little bit, not too much. I was using a setting powder that like causes cancer, so I threw it away, but I don't remember which one it was called, but it was very, very popular. I seriously don't remember what brand it was called, but I just stopped using it. But let's go back to the eyebrows. Now I'm gonna use the NYX Professional Makeup Tinted Brown Mascara. Okay. Now this side really needs it. I literally cut a slit on my eyebrow. I don't even know why I did that, but I'm so glad it's like growing out. I'm never doing that again, guys. This is a sign to not slit your eyebrow. But if you're ready to, then okay, slay. You know? You know, I need to stop with that, okay? I always say you know after every like sentence I say. Like I'm like, you know what I mean? We're gonna do my nose. Add a line right here. And another one right here. Make sure it's really blended in or else it's gonna look horrible. I'm gonna go ahead and do my blush. So I like to add two things for my blush. I like to add this eyeshadow shade I really like. I like to use a pink champagne. Slowly add it right here. I might be going a little too rough for my cheeks. My rope keeps falling off. I don't know why. I hate that. Why do you keep falling off? I don't want you to fall off, okay? That was embarrassing. I like to use this other blush. It's a lipstick. Now that we're done with them, I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara. What did I drop? I feel like when it comes to mascara, I have to be really quiet or else I'm gonna accidentally poke myself with it in my eye. I hate how the lashes on the bottom are longer than my lashes on the top. Anyways, I like to use my Revolution highlighter. I literally broke it. I broke the top. I dropped it so many times. You don't even want to know how many times I dropped it. Zit on my nose right here. Just dab it on there. Not too much. And then blend it in with your finger. Now, I like to do it on my eyebrows right here, just on the arch. Then I also like to add it on my corner eye. So I'm just gonna add a little dab right here. And then also on my cheeks. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. So my lips, it's like the hardest. I have the hardest time to do my lips because I'm still learning how to do it. To outline it, I'm gonna go in with brown. Okay, now that I'm done with that, my brown points looks like that. My brown points, okay. Anyways, now we're just gonna add a little bit. I'm gonna slowly overline it on my lips, just right here. I do the same thing for the bottom lip. Now that I'm done with overlining my lips, I like to add lip gloss. Okay, we're done. Yay!